Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel yes or no dropdowns. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cell or range where you want the dropdown. Navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon. Look for the Data Validation option within the Data Tools group. This feature is essential for controlling what users can enter into cells, ensuring your data stays clean and consistent. For the direct entry method, once the data validation dialog box is open, choose List from the Allow dropdown. In the source field, simply type Yes, No without any spaces, then click OK. This creates an immediate dropdown with your two choices. It's incredibly fast and efficient for situations where you only need these two specific options. The cell reference method offers more flexibility. First, type Yes into one cell, say A1, and No into another, like A2 on the same or a different sheet. Then, in the Data Validation dialog, select List, and for the source, click and drag to select cells A1 and A2. This approach is great if you might expand your options later or want to hide the source list. So, which method is better? For a simple yes or no dropdown that won't change, direct entry is quicker and perfectly sufficient. However, if you anticipate needing to add more options beyond yes and no, or if you want to manage your list from a central location, the cell reference method provides greater flexibility and scalability. It's about choosing the right tool for your specific data management needs. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.